Hi, Cami here with the April Chromebook Blitz Challenge. This month we're going to look at voice typing and so much more in Read and Write for Google Chrome. So we're going to pop over to a web doc where I have a little section from Steinbeck's of Mice and Men that I've copied in here for our purposes. So I'm going to put my cursor right at the beginning, and then I'm going to come up to my toolbar and I'm going to click on the Read and Write extension. It's that purple puzzle piece. In our district, all of our Chromebooks and teacher desks have that automatically installed. So I get this toolbar. If I don't need the toolbar anymore, I can click on the X. So I'm going to load that up again. Okay, now I'm just going to press the play button.
Evening of a hot day started the little wind to moving among the leaves. The shade climbed up the hills toward the top.
And so the lady goes ahead and she reads. You can actually change the voice to different accents and different genders as well. So that is the reading tool. Now, there's a couple other really great things that we can do in here. We can use the dictionary. So let's take this word rabbits. I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to click on dictionary, and it loads definitions of a rabbit for me. And if I have younger learners, I might want to also click on the image to get picture dictionary, and it has pictures of different things. So if I change my word, let's click on footsteps. I'm going to highlight that at the same time. Go back to rabbits, highlight that. Leaves. A couple other great tools is I can collect my vocabulary by clicking the third icon from the end, and it's going to generate a new Google Doc in the background that gives me a vocabulary list. It's going to pop up a brand new document, and it's going to have all of the definitions possible, as well as the pictures for them. And so what I have my students do then is I have them go through the different meanings, and I have them delete the ones that they don't need, that are not appropriate for our context here. So that is the vocabulary list. You'll need to take a screenshot of a vocabulary list for your Chromebook challenge. Let's come back to our reading. Another thing we can do is we can also click on the swirly picture highlighter, and we can gather our highlights. So this is great for researching. I can do it by all the colors together, or position means everything from front to top to bottom. And that also is going to generate in its own sheet as well. So this is great if you were wanting to teach students how to research and take the images or the words that they copy and pasted, but then add to them, make them their own. We can really teach some good skills here that get beyond just basic copy and pasting. You'll see it tells me the user and also the title of the document that those came from. All right, and then finally, we're going to wrap up with some voice typing. And so to voice type, that's the write part. So Read and Write reads to you, and then it also writes for you. You're going to click on the little headset with the microphone piece. And as soon as I do this, it's going to start to record. And when you do this for your Chrome Blitz entry, I'm going to have you talk about your favorite hobby or your favorite subject in school. Now it is recording, period. My favorite hobby at this time of year is gardening, period. I love to watch all the little plants come up and the flowers as they slowly start to bloom. For your Chrome Blitz entry, you are going to use the highlight tool and the vocabulary tool. So you will take a screenshot of your original document with some highlights and some dictionary items. And why don't you put the text in there to begin with by voice typing? That would be great. If I can see that you've activated that little voice type icon there.